What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for SoFi Technologies with the ticker symbol SOFI. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So price continues to rally higher and higher because the bears failed to reach their measure move target towards the downside, which shows a bullish imbalance in play. There's a measure move target towards the upside, and we have room to the upside. So that's why price continues to move up higher. Price already reached a short-term measure move target. This was one leg up right here. This was the second leg up. Target was right around the 987, and price overshot it just slightly. We're pulling back, so a correction is due because that short-term target was met. Price doesn't move up in a straight line. Even back here in this move up higher, you can see that after the large move up higher, price started, correcting before continuing higher. So I'm expecting a pullback. We're a little bit far away from the EMA, and there's a little gap right here that can be filled. Let me go ahead and zoom in on the chart. So you see that, price is, far away from the EMA, which is fine. A lot of times price will stay far away from the EMA for quite a bit of time. But in this case, it looks like price can pull back to it. And also, there was a breakout right over here. So price broke out past this prior swing high, and there was a gap right here. So price can pull back to those three levels: the breakout, the gap, and the EMA, which is coinciding with this trend line 2 at the low 9s. So I'm pretty sure we're going to probably see a drop down, maybe not that quickly, but it looks like price will probably pull back to the low 9s, high 8s in the next coming days and weeks. That is the most likely situation. But even then, I'm expecting higher prices even if we don't pull back, because this is still a very strong move up, and the bulls are trying to reach the prior swing high, which is at the 1173, and then the 1373 would be the measure move target, because this was one large leg up. Bears failed to reach their measure move target, which means the bulls can succeed in reaching theirs, and that target to the upside would be the 1361. So, and if I draw a yellow channel off the swing lows, I drag it up to the highs, which is right over here. So this is a channel right here. I used the two swings on the bottom. I drag it up to the highs, and that coincides with that, high 13s, what the measure move target is. So again, this is looking pretty good to the upside. Short term, we're probably going to see a little bit more downside, or even maybe some sideways correction. But still looking pretty good short term and long term for SoFi Technologies as of right now. So here's the weekly chart. This day is almost over, so most likely this week will finish green. And you see that we have a bunch of green weeks in a row. So this tells me that this is a leg up higher. This is stopping out the shorts, and we could probably still see more upside from SoFi. So before, in the past, I was bearish because price continued down. Then it started trading sideways. And then once it started breaking out towards the upside, I'm like, okay, this looks pretty good to the upside now. And yeah, we're definitely getting that upward momentum. So looking for the high 11s, high 13s, and then we'll go from there once those targets are met. Even, let's see if they're even met at all. But that looks pretty likely as of right now. It looks pretty good. But short term, we're probably just going to see a pullback before we see higher prices. Or we can just get higher prices right now. I mean, no one knows for sure what's going to happen, but usually that's how the market would move. It'll probably pull back and then move up higher instead of just moving higher from where we are right now, which would be, a lot less likely. So that's all I have for SoFi Technologies on the daily and weekly charts. This is Vee Trades, so thank you for your time. The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now.